Nozzles are good, engine's good.
Coast Guard's getting overrun.
Tigers needs air intervention.
One step at a time, boys. Secure the base and we assist Tigers.
Roger. Go for launch. Reclaiming air superiority. Let's clean this up and drive SETDEF out of this airspace.
Tally 4, Skelters inbound.
Engage, weapons free.
Approach, Kashima. Focus all anti-air fire on the Skelters. Missiles loose. Missiles out. Offline. Is that all? I'm on board!
Stay on them, we're pushing them back.
They have reinforcements. Stay sharp.
Skelter down.
Their missiles are guided. Coast Guard jacks aren't set up for this. Tigers, we need something to even the playing field.
Scar 1-1, we have a missile supply drone ready. Mark your position for delivery.
Keep those Skelters off the turret.
Scar 1-1, mark your position for supply drone delivery. Position marked. Supply drone inbound.
Locked and loaded. Scars, in with your missiles. Sweep it out, base is almost clear.
Protect those turrets.
A few more left. Let's X them out, go help Tigers. Almost there. Scars, we got Ajax in the battle zone. Engage those gunships.
Copy. They're going for the towers.
Another turret down. These guys are fast.
Stay with them, man.
Target their weapon systems.
Got him. Missiles loose. Watch the Can't get past their countermeasures.
Focus fire on their turrets, sir.
Bogey down.
Good hit, sir.
We're losing ground support. Flared. 1-1, evade, evade. Protect those turrets. Turret 3 down.
Turrets are on you, Raider. Roll out.
Going for another run.
Box 3.
They're targeting another tower.
These guys are fast. Can't get past their countermeasures.
Damn it. We need that shit down now.
Missiles loose.
Keep those Skelters off the turrets.
a transport set. We'll link up at Retribution.
Copy that, Star Sergeant. Good luck up there, LT.
Raider, Tigris is taking port engine damage. Request immediate support.
Actual Raider is inbound to board and disable enemy warship. Stand by.
What's your infill plan, Captain?
We'll bail out over the port side bow and 0G to the bridge.
Once the ward, we'll shut down the bridge and have combat systems.
Copy. Off to shut down the exit to the cargo bay.
Affirmative. Tigris engages when we're clear.
Abandoned, 12 o'clock high.
Eyes on. Tigris, we're visual.
Copy visual. Covering fire.
Follow me in, Raider.
On you, Fever.
Watch your flag!
I see it. Coast Guard Jack is down.
Rockfell's coming up.
We're down in 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go!
1-2 away.
One is away.
Great. Get ahead, sir.
Let's get there.
We got hostiles.
Take them.
Transport inbound. Force up to the bridge.
Already coming. Reinserting reinforcements.
Actual, we need suppression on these scouts. Keep pushing.
We're on 'em.
Multiple contacts!
Target sighted. Right side. Mobile tangos near the radar. You're in the open. Changing matter. Contact with the Don't do that. Enemy contact! Behind those crates! 12 o'clock!
Wrong! 1 o'clock!
Zone is clear. Here's our infill.
The blast fields are up.
Copy. Tigris, we are exterior of the bridge, preparing to breach.
Copy. Standing by.
Reach on you, sir.
We need to breach the bridge, Rand.
I'll short circuit them.
Force in, let's go! Staff Sergeant, cover the exit. Ethan, shut down primary weapons.
Aye, sir.
Salt, scope the windows.
Activating gravity.
I'll get the CO's card.
Let's secure the car and go, Captain.
Tigris actual, primary weapons down, moving to secondary.
Roger that.
Down the elevator shaft, go!
Combat control is close.
Move, move, move! Get to the bridge!
Check fire. They don't know we're here.
Combat control is through here. One deck down.
Copy. Get it open.
Got movement.
down. Enemies have not been located.
Roger. Command's coordinates. Surge.
Check low.
Light him up!
Clear.
Go to work, Ethan. Shut down secondary weapons.
Check. Theo's card opens the board, Captain.
Report to Section A. New link in progress.
Patching in now, Captain.
Weapons are locked off. Let's go.
Sir, I found something else.
Looks like enemy warship positions. Can you pull it?
Already downloaded, sir.
Solid. Let's go. Tigris actual. Weapons are down. Moving to exfil.
Staff Sergeant, take us out.
Bravo Zulu, Sergeant.
Scar team, be advised. Ares is failing to jump from the combat zone. Get your team off that ship now, Captain.
How much time have we got?
3 minutes, max.
Tigris actual. Go weapons free.
Danger close. Danger close.
Through the doors. Go!
Radio Relay Alpha Juliet. Fire teams report to CIC. Radio
Tigris Actual, weapons are down, moving to exfil.
Staff Sergeant, take us out.
SCAR team, be advised. Ares is spooling to jump from the combat zone. Get your team off that ship now, Captain.
How much time have we got?
3 minutes, max.
Tigris Actual, go weapons free!
Danger close! Danger close!
Through the doors, go!
He's done!
All response force stations, prepare for emergency jump. Repeat. All response force stations, prepare for emergency jump.
Attention, CCTV team. Multiple violent decompressions on both sides bay. Repeat.
Hold up!
On you, Reyes.
Go!
Clear!
Cargo bay doors are in front.
Actual, Ares jump is imminent. We can't hold back any longer.
Let's push to the control room! Move out!
We got their attention!
Squad, clock sticking down, we gotta move!
He's done!
Depressurizing, grab hold! Tigris, we need birds!
Copy. Sending jackals.
Set, turn a bird! Tigris, scars are clear!
Copy clear. Engaging. Weapons loose.
Good effect on target.
Mission accomplished, Tigris. Scarflight is Oscar Mike.
Stratcom has cleared Tigris to proceed with tasking outside this AO. No doubt our paths will cross again. We're all there is to keep the enemy away from home. Fly safe, Captain Reyes.
Thank you, Captain Kern.
Captain Reyes, priority dispatch from the Admiral.
Roger, patch it.
Yes, sir. Here it comes.
Reyes. Stratcom decrypted a fleet transmission from Admiral Koch broadcast 6 hours before the attack.
Roger, Admiral, go ahead.
Today, the front embarks on a conquest. Here and now, we will eradicate the authority and influence of the Earth. Our world is just beginning. Theirs is dying. It is not enough to break free. We will break them. Their cities will burn along with the pages of their history.
Captain, they won't stop until they take our world. This may be our last stand.
Understood, sir.
Ship repair updates for you, sir. Hangar deck is back online.
Good news.
Well, let's out an after-action report right away.
Ethan, accompany Sergeant Omar, assist him with the AAR.
Yes, sir.
I've got it well in hand, Captain.
No doubt you do. You've got your orders, Ethan.
Yes, I do, sir.
Little forced FaceTime for those two, huh? Shame to miss that.
My money's on Omar.
Yeah, I got Ethan.
You boarded an enemy airship?
Cannot confirm or deny that, boss.
I'll take that as a yes.
Take that as a hell yes.
Making all kinds of history today.
Let's get upstairs, Reyes. See what we got. Couple ways this plays out.
Tell me.
Well, we hold him back with these tag team tactical ops.
Or?
Or SetDef cuts us off with a blockade and we never see home again.
We'll get home again, Saul.
I know.
Captain, Lieutenant, news reports coming on about the Gateway battle if you want to join us.
I'll pass. No news is good news.
It's gonna be a long day, Fever.
Yeah, 6 on, 12 off ain't gonna cut it today, Raider.
Captain has the con.
Helm, come left, steer course 270.
Aye, sir.
What's the update on that intel?
Mac, a little show and tell?
Whenever the captain's ready. Captain, engineering and bridge sifted through Ethan's hack from the seizure. It's a gold mine, sir.
What do we got here?
That's Rhett and Tigris. The others are SetDef.
Those are enemy tubs.
Each SDF ship tracks every other in its fleet. Now, we've pinpointed some of their positions. We could assault at your discretion, sir. New targets of opportunity on radar, Captain. Tracking 4 enemy vessels. Where shall we engage, sir? Triads indicate targets of opportunity. We should select one, Captain.
SetDef Hellas is in Venus atmosphere repairing attack damage. Intel reports it's carrying chemical weapons. Scars and Marines will board for search and destroy. We'll locate the chem munitions and take out the carrier.
Good work, Chief. We can use every edge.
Oh, I understand. I once stood in your shoes, Commander.
You were a captain, Mac? Why'd you give up your commission?
I committed the mortal sin that can break a commander in two. I cared.
We all care, Chief.
Ordering men into battle isn't for everyone. So the machines are now in my hands, and we're all in yours, Captain.
Ready to get rigged up, sir? I recommend a light machine gun. They can lay down some heavy fire. Get you out of a pinch. Greeny's got the firing range up and running. Feel free to try out anything that catches your eye.
Salta's already winged up, sir.
Solar wind should be steady. Good hunting, Captain.
Captain, I pulled the schematic on the Hellas and I'm set for overwatch. I'll guide